Hey everyone, and welcome back to this week's episode of Built for This. Again, Micah Morgan here, and today I'm actually on site on my job here in Michigan City, Indiana. And as you can see, I've got the excavator here. Today is day one, ground zero. We are starting this project and moving dirt and getting ready for the foundation. So I sort of wanted to kick this thing off, this project. It's been months in the making here, lots of conversation and planning and logistics and getting everything ready. Our goal is to get this foundation in, get this house set by early December. So we do have a set date coming up here real soon, early December, waiting on a firm set date for that. But anyway, just wanted to kind of capture a little bit of this before everything starts to get real crazy after set day. So one thing I did want to make mention of though is all this planning and everything that we've been working towards throughout the design process and pricing everything and getting all the selections in and the appraisal, the permits, everything. So during that time we got a lot of that work done. Now here that we're starting actually on site, here's the cool thing. Up north, this house is going to be built in a controlled factory, a climate controlled environment. So while we're working here, they're up north going to be building this house, so we can get two things done at the same time and get that on-time delivery that we talk about so frequently. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of give you a little snapshot here of day one, us getting started here in Michigan City, Indiana for the Putnam family. Beautiful house that we're going to be setting here real soon and finishing up over the course of this winter. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Again, if you're interested in starting a conversation with us, find your local builder on the website. And we're always, like I say, more than willing and able to have a conversation with you about building your dream home and getting to this process right here, the groundbreaking. So anyway, hope everyone's having a great week, and we'll see you same time, same place next week. Thanks, everyone.